This classic berries and cream recipe begins and ends in a mason jar. Start by prepping assorted berries of your choice and combine them into a pint-sized jar. Fill 3/4 of the way full and sprinkle with 2 teaspoons of sugar. Cover and shake to coat. Allow the mixture to rest for 3 minutes. The fruit and sugar will begin to create their own sweet syrup. To serve, spoon the berries into a smaller jar or dish. Cover with fresh chilled cream and enjoy. For more simple, fresh flavors and recipes like this, be sure to give me a like and follow.